to the channel, guys. It's Studio Rays here. We have another product unveiling or side-by-side comparison. The N79 comparing to the 601. Here are two machines that I do own. I was able to pick up at a great deal. Both of them for about $179 a piece. I had the N79 a little longer than the 601. Great machines. Right here, I just want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison between the two machines for those who are considering to pick one up and want a better idea how it looks side by side, what's the difference. As far as design, they're pretty much similar in every way. The 601 is just slightly thicker, and they have a little couple of cosmetic changes in size and in like here you can see the switch. What I like about the 601, what I think is really different, is that it's a different cleaning pattern as opposed to the N79. The N79 is more of a random cleaning pattern, and where the 601 you have this more effective S-curve type of cleaning pattern, which is definitely ideal. I have the 601 upstairs in my bedroom area. It's able to pick up, go over thin carpet. It's good for pet hairs and what have you. It's just ideal if you just want a machine to help you do some spot cleaning. As you can see, again, very minor cosmetic differences between the two machines. They're pretty much identical. I think the difference pretty much is just how they perform on the floor. And I think the 601 is definitely a better machine. But again, it's all about your budget. I got the 601 for, again, I believe about 175 or 180. They had a serious discount, and as you can see here, the diameter is pretty much the same on the same design in the brushes in the bottom also. Only thing I like about the N79, they give you 4 brushes as opposed to the 601 only giving you 2 brushes. But overall, again, it's pretty much the same machine. The 601 and the N79 and 601, same diameter and in its opening. Again, nothing really too different other than that. I think the difference is pretty much on the cleaning pattern and how this thing is programmed. What I do know also that the bottom cleaner here, the 601 is slightly bigger than the 601 is slightly bigger than the N79, but pretty much it's the same thing. It's just slightly thicker, not by much, but slightly thicker. Also, these two machines cannot communicate on the same app, and that's one thing is a downfall I don't like about this one. The N79 is a little older technology, I believe, so they were not able. Their app does not configure to the newer app for the 601. So when you're setting up this machine, if you have the N79 and if you buy the 601, you're gonna have to download an independent app that communicates to this machine. And that's the only downfall about it. But overall, it's the same machine. It does well, just other than the cleaning pattern, which is fine. So if you're looking for this type of machine, I do recommend it for the price. Again, I got it for about $180 a piece, and that's an excellent deal. The 601 is a newer machine, so definitely I got over on that one. They had a discount of $75 or $60 off. Check them out, the first unboxing where I go over details about it. But again, I do recommend these two machines for the price point. They definitely ideal. They won't break the bank. So if you're looking for this machine, go down to the description. I'll set up some links that will take you right straight to the Amazon and look at the machine. They score high on their ratings also. So I definitely recommend this. It's ideal, but look for the coupons. Don't buy this machine until you find those coupons come around. All right, for 180, less than 180, I think is the ideal value. So again, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, guys, and I'll check you on the next one. All right, the Studio Rays, and I'm out.